Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you a simple and free method to unlock any phone from any carrier, even if it's not fully paid off. No more expensive unlock fees or shady third-party services. We've got the solution you've been looking for. The first step is to insert an unsupported SIM card from a different carrier into your phone. Once you power up your phone with the new SIM card, you'll receive a message asking for an unlock code. All you have to do is enter the unlock code, and your phone is now fully unlocked and ready to be used with any carrier you choose. And here's the best part. We will show you how to get the unlock code. To do this, you need to find the unique identification or serial number of your phone, called the IMEI number. Simply dial *#06#, and the IMEI number will pop up on the screen of your phone. Based on this IMEI number, we will get the unlock code for your phone. If you're a T-Mobile customer or a customer of a mobile carrier that provides a device unlock app, you won't need an unlock code. Things will be much easier for you. Visit useanysim.com and find straightforward instructions to unlock your phone for free, based on the IMEI number of your device. Get started now and enjoy the freedom of an unlocked phone, all for free. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing with your friends.